if x square plus 4x equals to m, we have to find out x once root over m minus 4, root over m minus 4 plus root over m minus 10 equals to 6. We are trying to solve this math step by step. First one, here is a root m minus 4. We will subtract both sides by root m minus 10. 6 minus root m minus 10. Now we are squaring both sides. So root over m minus 4 square, and this one also 6 minus root over m minus 10 square, right? Now it will be m minus 4, and here is 6 square minus 2 times 6 times root over m minus 10 plus root over m minus 10 whole square. Okay, so here is m minus 4 equals to 6 square means 36, and here is a 2 times 6 is a 12, and root m minus 10 plus root m minus 10 whole square means m minus 10. Okay, now we are transfer something to left side. So here is m minus 4 minus 36 minus m and plus 10, and we should keep root over 12 we should keep minus 12 root m minus 10. Okay, so here m and minus m out, minus 4 minus 36 plus 10, it means minus 4 and minus 36 is a minus 40 plus 10, it's a minus 30 equals to, here is a minus 12, then a root over m minus 10. So we need to simplify something. If we divide both sides by minus 3, look, if we divide both sides by minus 3, so this minus and minus out, here is a 10 and here is a 4, right? Minus and minus out, so it should be like 40, it should be. And also we can more divide, which is 40. So actually we can divide both sides by minus 6, right? It would be better for us. We can divide both sides by minus 6. So what we will get if we divide by minus 6, here is a minus 6, divide and minus 6. So minus and minus out, 30 divided 6 is a 5, minus and minus out, it means dividing 6 divide 12 divided 6 is a 2. So we can write in here what, here is a 5 equal, here is 2 root over m minus 10. So now we can squaring both sides again, so it will be 25, 2 becomes, here's a 4, and or we can write directly, no need shortcut, like 2 root over m minus 10 whole square. So now here is a 25, and 2 square means 4, and root over m minus 10 square means m minus 10, root will be out. So here is a 25, and here is a 4m minus 4 times 10 is a 40, right? So here is a 40. So now we can exchange everything in left side. So 4m minus 40 minus 25 equals to 0, right? So finally we will get 4m minus, here is a 4m minus 40 minus 25 is a minus 65 equals to 0. Now our main work will be start, because here is mentioned m equals to x square plus 4x. So we will write x square plus 4x instead of m. So it will be like 4, and against m, x square plus 4x, and here is a minus 65 equals to 0. Then 4x square plus 16x minus 65 equals to 0, right? Then if what can we do, 4 times 65, we can use calculator. 65 times 4, so it will be 260. 260, and here is a 16. It means, suppose 26 times 10 is a 260, and 26 minus 10, it will be 16. So this one we can write like 4x square plus 26x minus 10x minus 65 equals to 0. So from here we can take common 2x, so here will be 2x plus 13x, right? Is it 13x? Once you take common, it will be 13, and from here we can take common 5. So once you take common 5, so here will be 2x, and minus 1 divide minus, it will be plus 65 divide 5 is a 13 equals to 0. And then here is a 2x plus 13, and here is a 2x minus 5 equals to 0, right? Then we can write, so either 2x plus 13 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 13 by 2, and here, or 2x minus 5 equals to 0, then we can write 2x 5, so x equals to 5 by 2, right? So our answer is x equals to minus 13 by 2 or 5 by 2. Very simple. So these kinds of question I am trying to solve almost every day. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. I wish it will help you to make your exam preparation strongly. So this video I'm trying to solve the equation which is very important for your competitive examination. So please subscribe my channel. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.